You've decided to invest in a global ETF, but then you go to your broker and see three options: MSCI World, S&P 500, FTSE All-World. Now you have no idea which one to pick. This choice will define 80% or more of your long-term returns, so it's worth getting right. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to pick for your situation. You finally decided to start investing. You open Trade Republic, interactive broker, trading 212, search for a global ETF, and then you see it. Three options: MSCI World, S&P 500, FTSE All-World. Which one? If you get this wrong, it could cost you thousands of euros over 20 years. Most index comparisons online are UC-centric and don't account for UCITS ETFs, EUR currency, or withholding tax. Confirm you have already made one of the best financial decisions, choosing a global index ETF over stock picking. These three aren't really competitors, they're different tools for different portfolios. Let's start with MSCI World. It tracks around 1,400 large and mid-cap stocks across 23 developed markets. No emerging markets. MSCI World sounds like it covers the entire world. It doesn't. It tracks 23 developed countries: the UK, Japan, Germany, and France. But it completely leaves out the entire emerging world: China, India, Brazil, South Korea. When you buy MSCI World, you're getting roughly 70 cents in every euro going into the US. Popular UCITS ETFs tracking it include iShares Core, MSCI World, Xtrackers, and Amundi, with expense ratios around 0.20%. It's for investors who want developed market exposure only and are comfortable with a large US tilt. Let's see the S&P 500. It tracks the 500 largest US companies. 100% US exposure, no international diversification. The S&P 500 has been an incredible investment. If you'd invested €10,000 in 2010, you'd have roughly $65,000 today. But past performance doesn't guarantee future performance, and right now you're betting your entire portfolio on one country. Also, for European investors, USD/EUR swings affect real returns. A 10% rise in US stocks might only be 5% in euros if the USD weakens. Popular UCITS ETFs include Vanguard and iShares with expense ratios as low as 0.07%. Finally, FTSE All-World. It tracks around 4,000 stocks across both developed and emerging markets. Truly the most diversified of the three. It's the closest thing to owning the entire world. The Vanguard FTSE All-World is probably the single most popular ETF among European retail investors right now. Historical performance shows the S&P 500 wins the last decade, but others are closer over 20-year horizons. For simplicity, go with VWCE. If you believe in US dominance, pick the S&P 500. For developed markets, only with slightly lower fees, MSCI World is your best bet. If I had to give one answer for a European investor starting today, I'd say VWCE. It's one fund, truly global. Not investing at all is the bigger mistake. Which one are you investing in? Drop it in the comments. Whatever you pick, the most important thing is to actually start.